Students, we can continue the 11th question. Find the equation of a straight line joining the point of intersection of 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 to the point of intersection of 7x minus 3y minus 12 and 2y equal to x plus 3. Okay, so 4 equations are given. In this 4 equations, first 2 equations shows a line. Okay, the first 2 equations make a point of intersection, and the next 2 equations make a point of another intersection. So through both point of intersection our required line is passing. It is the question. Okay, so we can draw the 2 lines. These two are the first 2 set of lines. Next 2 set of lines like this. Okay, this is the point of intersection and this is the point of intersection. So through these 2 point of intersection, okay, so the required line is passing through both point of intersection. Now this is the required line. Are all clear? So we can write the equations in all the lines. Then only the diagram will complete. Okay, it is a line, so must put the arrow. First equation, it is 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Second equation, it is x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Third equation, it is 7x minus 3y minus 12. And the last equation, it is 2y equal to x plus 3. We need to find out this equation. It is the required line. Okay. So we can find the point of intersection of first 2 lines first. Okay. Now the diagram included in the solution. First we can write to find the point of intersection of three x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this we can write it down, and you consider this is equation number 1. This x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. So we can solve and find out the point of intersection. Okay. For doing elimination method, we can multiply 2 in the first equation or 3 in the second equation. Okay, if you multiply 3 in the second equation, you will get the x term coefficients equally, so eliminate the x term. Or if you multiply 2 in the y term, you will get the y coefficient of first equation, you will get the y terms coefficients equally, so you can eliminate the y term. Okay. Now I am going to multiply 3 in the second equation. Okay. Now equation 2 into 3, we will get 3x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Consider this is equation number 3. So since the signs are same, we have to subtract. Okay. Now equation 1 minus equation 3, which implies 3x minus 3x 0. Next y minus of minus 6y. We can change the sign. So y plus 6y is 7y. Next 2 plus 12, it is plus 14 equal to 0. So what is the y value? 7y is equal to minus 14 and y is equal to 7 minus 14 by 7, it is minus 2. Okay. Sorry. So y is equal to minus 2. So you get the value y. This y value you can substitute in any one of these 2 equations. You will get the x value. Okay. Therefore, equation 2 implies x minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 equal to 0, which implies x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So you will get x is equal to 0. Okay. So we get the x and y value, that is the point of intersection. So point of intersection of first two lines is 0, minus 2. Okay. So we can write the point of intersection of first two lines is 0, minus 2. Next we can find the point of intersection of the two lines 7x minus 3y equal to minus 12 and 2y equal to x plus 3. In the same pattern you have to write. So we can change the second equation x minus 2y. Okay, x minus 2y. Then you transpose the constant term. Okay, transpose the constant term and y term. Understood? So x minus 2y, this plus 3 will change it as minus 3. This equation you put the name as equation number 5. Now solving 4 and 5, we will get the point of intersection. Okay. So this you see the coefficient, the x coefficient when you multiply using 7 in the fifth one. Okay, you will get the same coefficient with the same sign. So when you subtract, you can eliminate the x term and you can find out the y value. Okay. Now equation 5 into 7, which implies 7x minus 7 into 2, it is 14y equal to 7 into minus 3, it is minus 21. Okay, this is equation number 6. Now equation 4 minus equation 6. Okay, 7x minus 7x is cancel. Next, minus 3y plus 14y, it is plus 11y equal to minus 12 plus 21. Okay. So what is the value we get? 9. Okay. So y is equal to 9 by 11. Okay. Next we can find out the x value by substituting this y in any one of this 4 and 5. So we can substitute this equation in the fifth question. Therefore equation 5 implies x minus 2 into 9 by 11 equal to minus 3, which implies x is equal to minus 3. This minus will change as plus 2 into 9, 18 by 11. Okay. Find the LCM. Here the denominator is 1. So the LCM is 11. 11 into 3 minus 33 plus 18. Okay. So we will get 14 minus 14 divided by 11. Not 14, 15. Minus 15 divided by 11. Okay, so that is the x value. So y is equal to minus 9 by 11 and x is equal to minus 15 by 11. We can write therefore point of intersection of the last two lines is minus 15 by 11, 9 by 11. Okay. So we got the two set of point of intersection. First one is 0, minus 2 and last one, second one is minus 15 by 11, 9 by 11. Through these two point of intersection only our record line is passing. Okay, so we got 2 points on our line. So we can use the equation of a line using 2 points formula. Okay, so the 2 points, first point is 0, minus 2 and second point is minus 15 by 11, 9 by 11. Okay, so we get the 2 point of intersection now, that is the 2 points on the record line. So we can write thus the record line passing through 0 comma minus 2 and minus 15 by 11 comma 9 by 11. Since we got 2 points on the line, we can use the 2 points formula. It is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, this x2 y2. Okay, so we can apply these values, which implies y minus of minus 2 divided by 9 by 11 minus of minus 2 equal to x minus 0 divided by minus 15 by 11 minus 0. Okay. Now y minus of minus 2 is y plus 2 divided by 9 by 11 plus 2 equal to x divided by minus 15 by 11. Okay. Now in both the side, here the denominator for one fraction, one number is 11. So you can find out the LCM and cancel both denominator. Okay. So here the denominator is 1. So we can multiply this 11 with this numerator. Okay. So we will get y plus 2 divided by 9 plus 22 divided by 11 equal to x divided by minus 15 by 11. Okay. Now these two denominators you can cancel. Okay. So we will get y plus 2 divided by 31 equal to x divided by minus 15. Now you cross multiply. So we will get minus 15 into y plus 2 equal to 31x. Okay, now simplify this. Minus 15y minus 30 equal to 31x. The standard form is x term, y term and constant term. So transpose this both terms to this side. Okay, so we will get 31x plus 15y plus 30 equal to 0. Okay, that is the standard form of the Riccodi equation. So we can write the answer. Riccodi equation is (31x plus 15y plus 30 equal to 0. Are all clear?